So Leo says, when it comes to data collection, pipelines, etc., what are the technical tools relevant to master SQL? Maybe. SQL doesn't hurt, Leo, for sure. It's helpful. But remember, and this is another thing that, again, not a lot of schools teach. And I wrote this in my book, right? Data in the real world, particularly on the collection side, tends to be very messy. It's the messiest when it comes from multiple sources. Because directly to your question, Leo, excuse me, SQL does help, but it's very, very rare where you're going to be on a problem where they tell you, here, we need to work on this, and here is the single SQL database where the data is held. Like, that's basically, the case only like 25% of the time. The more likely scenario is, here, we need, here's the project, and half the data is in SQL, 25% of the data comes from these PDF reports, 10% of the data is over in this SAS database, and and everything else we need is a CSV that we get from a vendor. Like, that's a much more common scenario. It's never a straight line. I shouldn't say never. It's rarely a straight line to just be able to say, oh yeah, sure, here's the data, go to it. Like, that just doesn't happen. So yes, SQL is important, but so is Pandas, so you can read the CSVs. Or maybe the data is coming from an API, so you're gonna have to know how to work that API. You're gonna have to know how to read PDFs, in the PDF libraries. So it's a variety of things, Leo. It's a variety of things. So SQL doesn't hurt, but it's not the only thing you need.